Hello all, this video is all about D-Mart mini table fan. I bought this fan for 999 in D-Mart. So let's unbox this fan. All we have is a charging wire and a table fan too. Firstly, this is on button, this is off. Let's on this fan. We have LED light over here which has 3 modes: low, medium and high. See, and a fan, of course. These also have low, medium and high modes, which is really great. This is the best fan for traveling purpose and in power cuts. You can keep our charging wire here. These are 2 charging modes. Power source is 220 to 240 volts. Light source is 13 pieces bright LED. Charging time is 12 to 15 hours. If we keep it in high speed, it will last up to 2 hours. If we keep it in middle speed, then it will last up to 4 hours. And in low speed, then it will last up to 7 hours. Light will last up to 2.5 hours to 35 hours.